Hey there, everybody. We are live. We got a special show for you today. We got something that we've been cooking here a little bit just before the show to share with everybody. We're bringing you that hot honey dip tea today. And let me tell you, the ETF was approved. This is breaking. This just happened. Is 12K incoming for Ethereum? We're going to find out and we're going to talk about it. Thank you guys for joining us. Let's get it started. What's up, Desert?
Okay, here we go.
From the charts to the memes, when we stay on top, spreading knowledge, making moves, never gonna stop. In the late night hours, we bring the crypto heat. Jpg Empire, giving you that beat. Pop melodies with a lo-fi vibe, bringing you the news, keeping you alive. Crypto nightly news, yeah, we're breaking it down. From the highs to the lows, turn it on around. Pop mix with lo-fi.
All right. We had to play that real quick for you guys. Yes, we're raving. We are raving unforgettable.
Dude, so tell them about it.
So
Dude.
we were playing around. One of the articles that we found today that we were going to go over tonight before the ETH approval, obviously, is a company called Suno. Got was it $10 million? We'll go over it later in the stream, but it's an AI music platform. So I was bringing up the article. I was like, hey, let me just bring up the site and let's look at it. So me and John typed some stuff in and it made us the crypto theme song.
Yep. So now we have a crypto theme song. We might incorporate it into the show. It's exciting.
It is exciting. So we'll bring it up here in a little bit. But ETF news, right?
Dude,
Ethereum?
that's massive.
That's
massive. I mean, I was surprised. I mean, we were both wrong. We both said it probably wouldn't get past this time. And I remember seeing the article come out when Gary Gensler said, hey, hold on, slow down, guys.
Right.
We need to delay this for 6 hours. But I didn't think that in 6 hours they were going to pass it.
I did. In my defense, I did say the only thing that makes me think they might actually approve it is that they were having them update those 19.4B forms to get rid of staking. Why have them update the form if they're not going to approve it? But I still didn't think it was going to get approved.
Cheers, Ryan. I'm sure it's Ryan. Moose is probably sleeping. And hey, Jaleesa.
What's going on, Jaleesa?
And Seji. Oh my gosh. Our whole audience.
Seji didn't even know.
Seji didn't even know.
So somebody keeps giving wrenches to everybody.
Oh yeah. That might be me. But I mean, honestly, everybody who's
like, share, subscribe now. You might get a wrench.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. The early adopters might get promoted.
Let's put up our disclaimer. Jpg Empire is a community-driven Web3 project aimed at adding value to the Cardano ecosystem. There should be no expectation of financial gains connected to any asset or product related to the Jpg Empire brand. Nothing said in this video should be taken as financial advice. Always do your DYOR. We are a couple of degenerates bringing you our take on the latest things in crypto. And I feel that now that we read that in the beginning, every time I can get rid of it because it is distracting. What do you think?
That's fair. We can get rid of it. Distracting.
Follow JPEG Empire at the John Carter, at Desert Crypto, and at the Seji. And soon to be coming, another Twitter handle.
Yes.
But we're going to keep that under wraps.
That's what I was going to say, is that there should be no expectation of financial gain from JPEG Empire. However, if you own equity in a future venture, there might be a different story there. Depends on the numbers.
There might be. There might be. And of course, go ahead and hit that like button. If I can get to it, this thing is sometimes not that easy to navigate. Like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, hit the notification bell. If everybody shared this video right now, we'd have more viewers.
That's fantastic. How you doing, Desert Man? How's your day going?
It was good. Work was slow, kind of dragged along. I went to this house. So we hang these pendants, and the glass on these pendants, they're hand blown, artisanal seeded glass.
We love that.
They're not perfect. They're not cut by a machine. They're not, they're got little slants in them. And this dude was just not hearing it, bro. I was like, I can get them. I can move them to wherever you want them, but they will never be perfectly level. They're different.
Oh, no. Look
what don't you understand about this? And he was just like, well, no, I spent a lot of money. I was like, yeah, you spent a lot of money because they're freaking artisanal glass. They're hand blown.
Moose is leaving us, dude. We were making fun of him. He couldn't take it. He's gone.
That's no
Screw
fair.
You guys. I'm going to bed. We love you, Moose. We love you.
Seji, we're not giving your alt account a wrench unless this is somebody else. Your alt account is not getting a wrench.
No.
Or whoever is trying to mimic one of our fellow council members.
I mean, maybe we should give them the what was it? One of the multi-sigs.
One of the multi-sigs? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give the other Seji a multi-sig. We just messed up.
There we go. Other than that, I mean, it was kind of stressful when we were on the phone call earlier, but
he's like, they're not lining up. And you're like, you idiot. They can't line up. They're not perfect. They're not machine made. They're man made. Get over it.
Right. I don't understand people. They spend money on the craziest stuff, and then they complain that it's not right. But the phone call. Huh? Go ahead.
I was gonna say I had another day off today because it's the slow season on the island.
Because it's the slow season.
And me and my wife just look at each other and we're like, this is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. A pound of bacon is $18 US. I can't take a day off.
Well, you're gonna go back to Honduras, right?
Yeah. It is? Well, I'm probably actually going back to the US first.
Oh, you said that. Yeah.
July instead. It's gonna be my dad's 81st birthday.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh wow. He had you late in life.
Get it up. Yeah. Yeah.
That's funny.
He says the secret is Jack Daniels and a younger wife.
Well, yeah, I would imagine that would help any man. I would imagine that would help any man.
Yeah. Don't tell my wife. She's a little older.
Right.
She would not like that. But man, I'm excited to be here. I'm always excited for these. It's been a great day. The Ethereum ETF being approved is huge. Massive.
So I think so. So it'll probably be at least a week before it starts trading. So according to reports, so they approved the go ahead. So they approved all their stuff on the 19.4B, which is like the application. But now they have to approve. I mean, this is just a formality now. Now they have to approve the S1, which I'm not exactly sure what that is. It's like the guidelines for getting listed on the exchanges or on the stock exchange. And there'll be a lot of back and forth. Hey, you got to do this. Okay, no, we want to do this. Nope, you got to do this. Back and forth. But I'm sure everything is in high gear right now. And you know what I mean? The reason Bitcoin went live so quick is because there was so much buildup and all these forums were like already. I mean, let's face it. How long did it take for a Bitcoin ETF? It seemed like it took forever. I mean, and this Ethereum one just bam. just went
But I
right
think
through.
it has to do with that. I think that, I mean, you had all these people like start to sue the SEC just because. They were
Well,
not-
grayscale.
Yeah. They were not
Yeah,
getting it.
grayscale.
So I think that, you know, whatever came from that, that was what motivated them. You know what I mean? Forced
Right.
them to actually come through with the decision. And I mean, like that last minute, oh, we're going to delay it for 6 hours. Yeah, the floodgates are opening.
Right.
The floodgates are opening.
But according to Charles Hoskinson, I was in a space earlier today and he was speaking. The FIT 21. So if you guys know, the FIT 21 is that bill that just passed Congress. I don't remember what the HB is, what the House number is, but the bill is FIT 21. It's the bill that was just in Congress that, here we go, that just passed and is heading to the Senate. And it's the one that moves everything over to the CFTC. There is some strange language in this bill to where like something about a certain amount of decentralization, and they might have to get the approval of the SEC and this and that. There's going to be red tape. But according to old Cattle Daddy, this bill will be one of the biggest milestones in crypto history. Because this right here, if it passes, and I think they're expecting about 60 senators to approve this. So probably the 49 Republicans and then another 10 or 11 Democrats are set to approve this. Which is not. That's the House.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, in the House. But it was a lot more Democrats than what they expected. There's a lot of talks about a lot of the Democrats turning on our favorite, Pocahontas. And I mean, I cannot believe that they would be so racist. These Democrats are racist against our Native Americans.
They know she's out. And John Deaton's in.
Yeah. So I guess they're trying
writing on the wall,
Yeah. It's over.
But
she's done.
So he said that so it looks to be about 60 people in the Senate are going to say yes, which is not a veto-proof vote. I think you need 2/3. You need a super majority. So you need well over 66 for a veto-proof vote on a bill. But they're not going to be able to. He says Chuck Schumer's got his work cut out for him to try to slow this bill down and stretch it out to where Biden doesn't have to veto it in the middle of election season.
That's what I was going to say. I don't think that he can. I don't think he can.
No. There's no way.
I think that's
There's
so
no way.
bullish. This is what I was saying the other day is like, we got Trump coming out saying that he's a pro-crypto candidate, right? Biden had to just come out and say he's a pro-crypto candidate, regardless of whether that's true or not. The thing is that people realize that there are enough one-issue voters that are literally voting only in favor of crypto. And so we've got these two old guys that can't manage their cell phones. They can't manage their Twitter accounts, but they're being forced to be pro-crypto, which is massive. It's massive.
None of the voter bases can agree on immigration, the economy. Well, actually, most people can agree on the economy.
Yeah,
but there's a bunch of hot point or hot topic issues like women's rights. We'll leave it at that. We know what I'm talking about.
Gun control,
the border, gun control, and the economy. Nobody can agree on that. But when it comes to crypto, these millennials, these millennials and Gen Zers, why they may skew Democrat, they skew heavily crypto.
Yeah.
So, and if that's their only path out of what this backbreaking economy that we're in right now, they can't buy houses. They can barely afford rent, So yeah, they have to take their foot off the brake when it comes to crypto. But either way, he said that this right here, if it passes, it gets signed into law. Now this opens up the floodgates for people around the world to because we've set ourselves apart where the rest of the world has been going forward in crypto and this and that. We've been taking a different stance. But if this passes and regulation comes in and everything, because if it goes to the CFTC, that's a commodity, if I'm not mistaken. Ethereum is officially labeled a commodity today because of the ETF.
Which is crazy.
So, right.
So I was going to say, I think that it's definitely like this in particular, crypto in general is a bipartisan issue, right? I don't think that it matters about the party at all. And the thing that I feel like millennials understand even more so than some of the older voters is that, so in the United States, between 1933 and 1974, there was a period of time when gold was actually illegal for people to possess, right? So like, let me see, on April 5th, 1933, signed an executive order that essentially criminalized the possession of gold. Okay. And then, so this is massive because which
coincidentally went into effect right after Jekyll Island and the formation of the Federal Reserve.
Exactly.
That out there.
Well, yeah, and a bunch of other things. But the thing is that owning gold was illegal. And that was one of the like hardest ways of storing your value. And so now we have crypto. We have people saying that we cannot custody our own money. We should not have control over our own funds. We should not be able to store our own funds. And it's absolutely ridiculous. Like, everybody should understand that being able to own your own money and not needing anyone's permission to send your money to someone else, that's like the pillars of crypto. This is why we're here. We should be able to control our own destiny and not have to ask the bank and prove to the bank that we are ourselves and tell them what we're spending our money on. You know what I mean? Like, it's a whole thing. I made that money. I should be able to spend it wherever I want to spend it.
Right. Yeah. Anybody who's ever went to a bank and tried to pull out a large sum of money
of cash
knows it. Yeah, of cash.
Yeah, they'll give you
exactly what we're talking about.
I've had this argument with my dad. My dad's like, if I go in there and I want to take my $20,000 out, they'll give it to me in a certified check. And I'm like, yeah, in a certified check.
Right.
You gotta go deposit somewhere else. You know?
Even then, if it's closing out your account, they're going to do everything in their power not to allow that. You know what I mean? But that's just the bank itself. You know what we haven't done in a while?
What haven't we done?
We haven't done a Crypto Chips IO giveaway.
Which I think we should.
Are we still good with that?
Yeah, let's flip and do it.
So everybody,
let's put up the
banner. Of our sponsors, I can't believe we haven't done this. One of our sponsors is Crypto Chips IO. So the boardroom presented by Crypto Chips IO.
Let me take
get rid of. There we go.
Crypto Chips IO.
And what we are going to be giving away tonight is this right here, this Bitcoin bundle. So you get the 3 coins and the little stand, and you get this this paper money. And I believe G Blades was talking about. So this paper money has QR codes on it, where you can like store crypto and like give it to somebody. You know, so you could literally give somebody, you know, a physical thing with crypto on it. So tonight we are going to give away one of these bundles. And
$44.
What is the website?
Value.
So what is it? It is StreamYard Picker.
Oh gosh, I think so.
I cannot. StreamYard giveaway tool. No, that's the help center. StreamYard giveaway tool. Oh my goodness, we don't have the. Do we have the link in Discord anywhere?
We probably do.
Is it pinned?
Hold on.
Is it pinned?
You said giveaway tool. Is that not it? It is.
I don't think that's not the link. So I'm on their thing, but they are not showing me. StreamYard Music. I see it, But what is the URL? Okay, haha, I got it. Okay, so today, you know what? Let me share my screen so everybody can see.
I think it should be building today. Or Chinvat.
Yes.
Chinvat.
So this is what it's going to be. Anybody who puts Chinvat.
You got to put hashtag.
Hashtag?
Yeah, hashtag. Gotta be hashtag.
All right.
Hashtag.
Anybody who comments hashtag Chinvat, as you can see right here,
has a chance to win.
Has a chance to win a Crypto Chips Bitcoin bundle right here. Look at that. It's a $45 value. And I do believe Jaleesa won one of these, correct?
She did, I believe. I wonder if she got it. That's a good question to ask.
I do believe she said she got it in Discord the other day.
Oh, gotcha. We
got one entry. We got 2 entries. Jaleesa, put in the comments. You did win one of these before, right? Because we've did it twice. Heck yeah, I want another one. There we go. That's awesome. So anybody who we got 2 entries so far. Seji, you're SOL. You don't get one.
Oh, he's going to use his alt.
His alt account.
But it has the same name, so he's screwed anyways. He's double screwed.
And anybody watching on, you don't have to be on YouTube. This will pick it up. If you guys are watching on Twitter, if you're watching the live on Twitter, and there should be a comment section on the side if you're on computer, and you put in hashtag Chinvat, it'll show up in our collective screen over here, and it should register. But right now, it looks like it's either Ryan or I'd like to join. You want to join the stream? Seji, you want to join the stream? Is that what you're asking? Because we can drop the link in Discord for you. Okay, while he responds. So we're going to be giving that away. Duh. Okay, it looks like, I think John's dropping it in Discord right now. Dropping the link in Discord. So
yeah.
Lo and behold, our other council member will be popping up here shortly. And until he gets here, let's go ahead and read this over real quick. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Boom. There we go. Okay. So Ethereum ETF approval could spur 60% rally as ETH buying increases. The forecast mirrors the market reaction after the Bitcoin ETFs were approved in January. The approval of spot Ether exchange traded funds, I don't know why they wrote it like that, in the US could lead to a significant rise in the token's value. Duh. Mirroring the market reaction seen with Bitcoin's ETFs. Bitcoin rose to over 73,000 from 42,000 in the first 2 weeks after the ETF started trading January 11th. So keep in mind, the Ethereum ETF is not trading yet, so it may take a little bit. And you know, the big boys, they're gonna want to keep that price down a little bit before, so they can well, they've probably already been accumulating, but before the actual ETF goes live, you know, they're gonna be a lot of shakeouts, I think. The decision on the Ethereum ETF is expected soon, with significant buying activity observed on both centralized and blockchain-based exchanges. This is so weird the way they write this. So why not, you know, first of all, why not capitalize? Why not say Ethereum? And both centralized and blockchain-based exchanges. You mean DEXs? You know what I mean? Decentralized exchanges. Approval of other spot Ether exchange traded funds ETF is in the US could drive a rally as much as 60% in the largest cryptocurrency in the coming months, QCP Capital said in a Thursday broadcast on Telegram. So 60%, we're sitting at about 4,000 right now. 60% is probably 3. So they're saying it'll push to about 7 grand. So holders bought over 100,000. I mean, we all pretty much know all this. But so the main news is it was approved. And I thought Seji was coming on the channel right now.
He said he'd like to join the giveaway, not the live stream.
Oh, I'm in the Discord, LOL. No, you're not getting, you can't get the giveaway, bro. You're part of the team. Just because you're not a face that's on here, you know what I mean? Oh, running poker. That's right. He's running the big poker event right now. Okay. So other than that, let me close some of these. Oh, we didn't do Market Watch. So let's go into Market Watch real quick. Let's bring this up. Let's see how the market's reacting. I know I've been playing the bounces all day on Ethereum, and I've been loving it. I've been actively trading the past few days. Ondo is looking good. That is I have a very decent bag of that. I love my RWAs. All right, let's bring up. So market cap is actually down from yesterday at 2 point. Let's refresh this just to make sure. Clicking on the wrong thing, of course. Let's refresh it. Okay, $2.683 trillion for the market cap. And we come down, we're down 0.9%. Bitcoin dominance fell below 50 to 49.8%, and Ethereum dominance is at 17%. Real low gas at 8 Gwei, and I keep highlighting the wrong freaking screen. So
yeah, I've noticed basically that the gas has been pretty low. I mean, I think I moved some and I played like $1.
Fees have been pretty decent. Oh, hey. So when we were DJing in base the other day and I bought that rock, I'm up like 168%.
Oh my gosh. That's so funny. You better sell it.
But I only threw what, like $20 in it, and I think I'm at like 50, $57 or something like that.
Sell it and throw it in another one.
So we got Bitcoin coming at 67.8. We got Ethereum coming in at 3,800. So it's kind of cooled off. It's kind of, leveled out, but it's been bouncing. I mean, I got in at like the low 37s. I got out at the high 38s, and it's been everywhere in between. Only a 1.4% raise in the 24-hour volume. So like I said, I feel that they will be trying to keep this thing stable until it actually goes live. We got BNB at 600, Solana at 174, which everybody says is going to be the next ETF for Paraguay. Yes. Some people would get that. So you would say for Paraguay. Yes. Oh, crap. So Lido, USDC, XRP, another thing. XRP got listed for New York-based customers on Coinbase today.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So because New York is like the strictest. You got to have like a bit license and all kinds of stuff. That's why there's like
you got to have money, and everybody in politics has to like you.
Right. And there's only so many bit licenses. So there's like the amount of crypto that they offer in New York is different than the rest of the country, I guess. But crazy. Yeah, it got listed for buying. The funny thing is they listed it. So I heard it this morning and I looked at the chart and I was like, oh, well, that's funny. Well, it pumped into the night. And then the moment I heard it got listed, it dropped from like 55 down to where it is right now. Dogecoin coming in at almost 16 cents. Toncoin at 6.2. In Cardano, man, it just can't do nothing. You know what I mean? I'm so disappointed. I have an open trade on Cardano. I think I'm down 10%, and I'm just going to ride it out. My leverage is real low, so I'll just ride it out. I'm not worried about getting liquidated. It
How's your
can't break that
Bitcoin
for
doing?
Bitcoin. I think I'm up a little bit. I've DCA'd
What?
so much. Yeah, I
What?
think I'm up.
You're
I'm up like my all-time, granted my all-time. So my portfolio tracker, if I go to my all-time, because I bought and sold, bought, you know what I mean? I played around with it, swung traded it a little bit. So I'm actually, it's not much. It's like 1 or 2%. And it fluctuates between up, 1, 2, 5% to down 10, 15%. But I just hold it. I haven't staked it yet. I was going to stake it just because I don't plan on selling it. I bought it just to buy it and see what it does. You know what I mean?
That's crazy.
So let's go over. Ooh, look! Oh man. Well, my portfolio is looking good then, because I did not see this. You are correct, sir. Whoever said that, Ondo looking good. You are correct. What the hell happened? Because it was not at $1.12 this morning when I checked my portfolio. So I think it was at like 92 or 96 cents this morning. Let's click into that.
All right, first of all, everybody, we got like
look at
74
that.
people in here. We're giving away a CryptoChips.io Bitcoin bundle. You can win. All you have to do is say #ChinVat and a comment. So you can comment on YouTube. If you're watching on X, you can comment on X.
Look, we only have 3 entries.
Your
3 entries.
The winning are high.
This is all you have to write in chat, and you will be entered in the drawing.
On Twitter or on YouTube. You got 2 ways to do it.
#ChinVat, yes.
Oh,
yeah, when I looked earlier today, this is where I seen it right in here. Like I said, 96, 95. Looks like it came down to 92. And then just in the past few hours, boom, 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 boom. Maybe BlackRock is liquidating some assets to buy some more spot Ethereum.
Yeah.
Could be. But yeah, I do love me some Ondo. All right, back to so we got Ondo at the top. We got Bonk, Pepe, Ethereum Classic. That's like the whale's liquidity. That's Ethereum Maxi's like liquidity is Ethereum Classic. They kind of play with that, pump it, dump it. Arbitrum, Ronin is still up. Look at that. They have to be doing something. You know what I mean? Then we got layer 2's Polygon, Aave, Lido, Starknet. Biggest losers. Arweave still going down. Still going down. I don't own any Arweave, but this could be, if we are in a downtrend. Let's see. Let's go to the 7-day, the 1 month. See, if we're coming back down a little bit, this could be an accumulation period if you are looking for a storage play right here.
I am bullish on Arweave. I'm so bullish on Arweave. You guys don't understand how bullish I am on Arweave. And the tokenomics are exponentially better than that of Filecoin and a lot of the other file storage options.
And then we have AGIX.
But
we have AGIX coming in at 98 cents. Look at that. The 2 AI plays right here.
Yeah.
So AGIX and Fetch. And they are both of these, according to the conversion rate now that we went over the other night when they all formed to become ASI, according to that conversion rate, these are both undervalued. So I believe when we did it, it was like anything under $1.25 for AGIX. Not financial advice. Anything under $1.25 for AGIX is a net win when the ASI launches and you convert. And then Fetch will go over 1-to-1, and the estimated launch price right now is like $2.85. So who's got 2 thumbs and bought XVG 6 months ago? So then we got a Kosh network. I hear a lot of people talking about this. I never really looked into it. I think it's some kind of AI play also. I've never really looked into it. WorldCoin, the devil himself, Sam Altman, scanning your eyeballs. That is down. I'm good to see. Not if you hold a bag. I'm sorry for you, but I don't like the premise of this coin right here. Injective, I'm down on my Injective. Pith, I do believe Pith will be a good Oracle play, just for the simple fact that the market cap is so small. And it's on Solana. While we all know Link is the daddy Oracle of everybody and is everywhere, but Pith is a much smaller play. And so like if you're in Cardano and you wanted to pick up an Oracle, you're going to pick up Charlie 3, right?
Yeah.
Because Charlie 3 is the Oracle on Cardano. Well, if you're in Solana with all these VCs, what Oracle are you going to pick up? Well, you're going to pick up a Solana native Oracle, and that'd be Pith. And then Theta Network. So that is about it for the market. We'll go ahead and close that tab. Close that tab. And this right here is what we were talking about earlier when we played you guys our little ditty.
I think we should play like the whole ditty for him real quick.
Okay.
But I mean, we can read the article first or whatever.
Yeah, well, just play it in. Oh, yeah.
No, it's got too many.
Well, we're gonna go to the actual site and we can play it right on the. Well, okay. Yeah. Sure. So VCs dump 125 million into new AI music platform. Can we all become beat makers? Well, apparently so, because we had like 6 minutes to stream, and John and I brought up the website, signed in, made an account, dropped an album real quick, downloaded it to the computer, uploaded it to StreamYard, and had it ready to play for you guys when we open the stream.
Which, I wonder if we can actually make a playlist. Because did you see what Cyberpunk Platypus is doing?
No.
They made a playlist because apparently if you have, if one person keeps their phone on and they're playing this soundtrack on repeat, then it can generate $1,200 a month on Spotify fees if it gets enough listens. And so that's one of the verticals is they made an album. It's on.
Why would they have to have their phone on constant?
Or it has to have that screen time.
We can't just. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So they uploaded it to Spotify. Yeah. And then they have somebody listening to that song on repeat.
But they have their whole community
to get the royalties.
They got the whole community playing it now. You know what I mean? It's a lot of people. And if
so
people
we're gonna drop a JPEG Empire album on
Dude,
Spotify.
That's what I'm saying.
We should be dropping. I'll look into that. We should be uploading the audio version of all our podcasts onto Spotify.
Well, yeah, sure.
Yeah, we should be doing that. And then we can also have a playlist on there also.
Yeah.
They must be, for them to be generating that much money, they must be listening and streaming to that playlist a lot, because it is a fraction of the money that the artists get for going on Spotify.
Yeah. It could be, we'll see. I just
we
think
we can drop one on YouTube.
Yeah.
We could drop one on YouTube and people can bring it up on YouTube. We will soon be able to produce high quality beats. VC investors seem to think this is the case as millions are poured into the AI music creation. So a new platform that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to make music on command has captured the attention of venture capitalist investors. On May 24th, Suno, I believe it's Suno, announced that it had raised $125 million from investors, aiming to make beat making accessible to everybody, or so it claims. The company stated that funds would be used for product development and team expansion. Okay. Apparently, so this is where we got the idea, because Cointelelie went on to Man, I watch too much Ben. Cointelegraph goes on to say how they made a beat, and then they gave them a 2-minute track right here. So we make a theme song for the publication Cointelegraph. It created a 2-minute track with the tags trap, energetic, and upbeat. And then they said we'll add words to it, and then it made them a song, right? So we decided to go ahead and go do the same thing. That is the wrong tab. And lo and behold, the Empire playlist right here. So here's the tag that we used right here. So Crypto Nightly News by Jpg Empire, hosted by Desert Crypto and John Carter, is a mixture of pop and lo-fi with the house music beat drop. And this is the song. Well, this is what this, so the song we're going to play is this song right here, where it says pop, house, lo-fi right here. This one we didn't like very much. This one was kind of cool. I didn't like this one. These were just generic, but this is the one we actually put the whole prompt in for. And this is the song right here.
Yeah, we taking it global, there's a crypto. John Carter, we unstoppable. From the charts to the memes, man, we stay on top.
And here's the lyrics over here on the side.
Making moves, never gonna stop. In the late night hours, we bring the crypto heat. JPEG Empire, giving you that beat. Pop melodies with a lo-fi vibe. Bringing you the news, keeping you alive. Crypto Nightly News, yeah, we're breaking it down. From the highs to the lows, turn it on around. Pop mix with lo-fi, it's a perfect blend. House music beat drop, let the party never end.
You know, okay,
Crypto Nightly News,
so I'm thinking that when we put these descriptors in it right here, because if you notice, it did it like automatically right there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this real quick. Let's do this.
You
Okay,
gotta
I got
have
an idea.
one talking about
I-
news and honey dip tea.
Yes, I have an idea right now. I am going to bring it up. Okay.
Let's do all the
In
names
the
of people
chat.
in the chat.
We are going to make a song. I have it geared up so we can actually hear it. Okay. And we are going to say Crypto Nightly News with Desert Crypto and John Carter. Bringing you the hot honey dipped tea. What else would you guys give me some descriptors, guys, in the chat? Throw something out. Jaleesa, Seji, Ryan.
Yeah, just any words. Anything you're looking for.
Nobody?
All right, last chance.
All right.
Boss. Say the boss mint on the 31st. Bringing all of the utility. Say that. And then say, get your whitelist for a 10 ADA discount.
That's a lot.
Public
There's a lot of stuff.
is 99.
No, I'm not putting all that in. Get your whitelist.
There you go.
Get your whitelist now. And we want to go. Let's go trap. Upbeat.
Why don't you say R&B pop?
R&B. See, I don't know if I'm using these prompts right
Yeah.
because we just did this. So, okay. So let's see here. Creating. I probably should have said R&B. Or check Discord.
Does Discord have comments?
No, I think it's Seji. I don't see anything, bro. Our Discord or general?
It's a good question.
General chat. Starting poker.
Oof.
I'm in Discord, bro.
Yeah, nothing here. I don't know what he's talking about.
I see a Royal Rumble just started or started a little bit ago.
Oh, for the mint details. No, we don't need any more mint details. We're good.
Oh, in okay. Okay, let me bring this back up. So what do we got here? It just gave us pop.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Let's see what's going on.
Let's
Let's
hear
try
it.
one out.
There's a crypto junk called on the beat, bringing you the hot honey dip, sweet. Boston's 31st, got that utility. No time to sleep.
All right, next.
It's your whitelist now. This crypto's running deep. Trap beats bumping that. Yo, there's a crypto and John Carter on the beat, bringing you the hot honey dip tea sweet. Bossman's 31st, got that utility. No time to sleep, get your whitelist now. This crypto's running deep. Trap beats pumping, got that upbeat flow. Randy vibes, we're taking it low.
Yeah, see, I'm not using those descriptors right because it's actually putting the words.
Yeah.
Crypto 90 news, we're bringing the heat. Keeping you in the loop, staying on the beat. Hot honey dip tea, sip it up, feel the treat. Desert crypto and John Carter can't be beat.
That's too poppy though. I wanted freaking so where did I put pop?
Wait, click custom mode. What does that mean?
Custom?
Toggle that. Toggle that at the top. Toggle custom mode.
Welcome to custom mode. Start with lyrics, write down your thoughts, and click make random lyrics. For spontaneous creative, prefer no words. Choose a style. Set the vibe, mood, tempo. Let's see this. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so here's the lyrics. Accept the terms. Okay, I accept. Okay. So maybe that's what we were doing wrong.
He said put Willie Nelson.
Whoops.
You could do it.
Damn it.
Wait, with the style of the music, we need to say Willie Nelson and Snoop Dogg, country rap. Or pop country rap. Willie Nelson and Snoop Dogg country rap.
Well, it'll automatically do that. You know, I have that playlist on Spotify and I labeled it crap country rap.
That's funny.
Is that it right there? Okay. Let's try that. And then we will get on from this real quick. Where'd it go? Couldn't generate that. Tags contained artist name Willie Nelson. Can't play. Oh, so it's a style of music. So let's just put upbeat trap country.
Jeez. We are in for a surprise. Yes,
I'm
Burgess,
sure
this is
we
what we're
are.
doing. We are musical artists now.
Yes. We're dropping an album, bro. We
are actually going to be dropping an album.
Yes.
On Spotify
We're
and
gonna
Apple
go on
Music
tour
anytime
next summer. Next
Well,
summer after the Mint, we're going on tour.
now.
There we go.
Crypto and John Carter bring you honey dip tea all night every night.
Oh, you know what? You know what I forgot to do? Hold on. I forgot to hit generate lyrics. Duh.
Oh,
Here we go.
gotcha.
Here we go. Let's do this. Oh, whoops.
So you got to make a new one real quick.
Yeah. What's it doing here, though? It's like freaking.
Probably making the song as we go.
I don't know. Why won't it let me create?
Sergio nightly new with desert crypto and John Carter bringing you the hot honey dip tea all night every night.
There you go. That's the
Yeah,
one
that-
Jaleesa is playing on her 3-hour drive home.
I
You got to send it to
don't
her.
know why it's not allowing me to create, though. I wonder what's going on here. What is this?
Maybe you
right
hit your
here?
limit.
Maybe. I don't think there's a. Oh yeah, 0 credits. Oh,
yeah,
dang
you
it.
hit your limit.
Oh, we burned through all the free credits. That's all right, though. We got to get off there. But if you guys are wanting to check this out, it is suno.com. Suno.com. And this thing is freaking awesome. So let's get rid of that. We will come back down. So other than that, there is don't let me learn the lyrics. I think we're gonna play with this some more. We're gonna come out with a JPEG Empire freaking album.
It's so
We're
funny.
just gonna do it to it. But this, I mean, this is crazy, right? I don't think I wonder, do they have a so it was on crypto. Oh, did I already? I already closed CoinGecko. Let me bring up CoinGecko. Let me see if this is an actual fucking currency. Okay, nothing with that. Suno. Oh wow, CoinGecko has. Here, let me show this. CoinGecko has like a freaking Dex Tools type of thing. Look at this. This almost looks like Dex Tools, right?
What? CoinGecko terminal? That's crazy.
So what is this? So I just typed in Suno. I don't know if this is
The coin.
the coin. I don't see a website. Oh, what did I pass it? No, pulled, swap. Search on Twitter. Is this it though? So this is it right here, Suno.com. This is their Twitter at Suno_AI_. We need to follow these. It looks like Machinist already knows about this. I see Machinist right there.
Yep.
So we'll have to ask him tonight or tomorrow night. I do not know if we got confirmation of him being on tomorrow night though.
Commander said he would be there, and so did DeFi Mofo, and
Okay.
I assume
Well,
Machinist too. We haven't asked.
Oh,
him.
DeFi Mofo is coming on too?
Yeah, so we'll have a whole gang. We'll be rowdy. We'll be obnoxious.
Nice.
We're gonna get canceled tomorrow. We might need to actually change the theme of the background so it's a little bit less.
So what you're saying is I don't have to wear a tie tomorrow night?
Probably not.
I'll wear a button up.
I mean, unless you want to get made fun of.
I'll wear a button.
Those guys are probably, they're kind of bullies. Those guys. Commander, DeFi Mofo, Machinist.
I know how to deal with bullies. I've known a few bullies in my time.
No, I love those guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
No, they're all awesome. 100%. It's Casual Friday. Thank you, Jaleesa. HR just told me that it is Casual Friday tomorrow. So what I'll do is I'll wear a button up with no tie.
There we go.
I have a bunch of button ups. I just didn't have any I could pair with a tie. That's why I had to get some plain colored shirts. All right. Other than that,
let's look.
We are going to. Oh,
we got 80 people in the chat.
Yeah,
well, we got 80 people watching. So we have 80 people.
We only have
watching.
3 entries.
Still?
3 entries, bro.
These people
and
are
I'm
crazy.
not going to refresh it like you had me refresh it last time, or somebody had me refresh it because it messed it all up. So yeah, let me share it. And the lucky winner. Well, let's give it a few more minutes. We'll leave it on the screen so everybody can see. This is your last chance for people who are late to the stream. If you put this hashtag ChinVot in the I can't believe I'm freaking in the chat. If you put hashtag ChinVot in the chat, you will be entered to win this right here from CryptoChips.io, our sponsor, and we will be giving it away live right now. So while we wait for that, everybody, please like, subscribe to the stream, share this with a friend. Like we always say, if everybody would share this, there'd be more people watching.
I think that's the best.
Right.
So, wait, hold on. Did you see the Algorand commercial?
I did.
With Rich Flair.
That was funny. Yeah.
You see Rich Flair is there, dude. And John Allen, I think.
And Allen the Mooch.
And the Mooch. Scaramucci as well.
Yeah.
I'm going to show that. I think that's big.
If you got it pulled up, yeah, let's run it.
Let's see. John Carter.
Oh, we got one more entry.
Well, now there's 4.
Steals the screen. Hashtag ChinVot in the chat. And it don't matter if you're on YouTube or Twitter. It should pick it up. Put it in the chat.
Let me get it.
Well, let's get it going. For some reason, I don't know why I keep showing. So my thing up here, connection is unstable. If you're on Wi-Fi, try plugging in your router. I'm literally plugged into my router.
It wasn't even me this time. Isn't that crazy?
No, it's me. The up in the corner, it shows me because I literally go ahead. Let's play this. Yeah, I can see it. We can't hear it though.
You can't hear it?
Well, it's not playing now.
Morning.
There we go.
Hello.
Hey.
You guys take Bitcoin, right?
Look at
Sure
Ric
do.
Flair.
I'm gonna be paying with Ethereum if that's okay.
Okay, yep, no problems.
Good thing I'm paying with Solana.
You can go ahead and tap.
And there we go.
Oh, it failed. Try it again. Hold up there, Smart. It looks like it's going to be another 27 minutes before this transaction clears.
What? Sorry, $112. I have like 3 things.
Ethereum, they got that peak hour gas thing.
Now you got it.
Maybe one more time. What are you going to do? Just wait right here, without the bag, without the bag.
I think it's gonna work this time.
Nope. Should have shopped with Algorand.
How do I get in that line?
Hey, morning.
So funny, dude. That's
Yes,
so
that
good.
is- That is an awesome
So
commercial. Who
mad.
made the commercial?
Dude, I mean, that's a good question. No idea. No idea. But I mean, yeah, we got Rich Flair over there looking swagtastic. Made me really happy. I saw it, and then that was the first thing I saw. I was just like, this guy's a rock star.
All right, everybody.
Chin
You guys
bat.
had your chance.
Yeah.
You had your chance. All you had to do was drop hashtag ChinVot in the chat. Man, I hope whenever this word, what this word represents, takes hold, that it gets a bigger response than just
Yeah.
asking you to type hashtag ChinVot in the chat. But
Yeah.
since this didn't, we got 4 people, one of which is going to win the Bitcoin bundle. So let's go ahead and start it.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh, Jaleesa.
She called
again.
it. She
So
called
is there
it.
a whitelist too? Oh my goodness.
No, there's no, we should have did whitelist. But whitelist. Okay, anybody in here that's in Discord, that's in the community and has not connected their wallet to the GFi bot, okay, make sure you connect your wallet. The whitelist and free mint registration closes tomorrow at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So 9 p.m. Friday night, Pacific Coast time, registration is over. You have to connect your wallet. There's a lot of things we got to do. The free mint starts on Wednesday at 4 a.m. Pacific. Whitelist is on Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific. Public goes live. Or no, whitelist is Thursday, 4 a.m. Pacific. Whitelist goes live Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific. So make sure you get in there. Jaleesa, you know what to do. This is your second time winning. Oh, you know what? Here we go. Well, actually, I think the other people in the contest already have whitelists. Should we just give Marcus Lee a whitelist? How about this? The other 3 people in there also get whitelist. And those are Hops. Well, we'll just draw again. Because I don't know who the other 2 people are.
Marcus, well, Hops.
Okay. Hops,
I mean, that's
you know what to
basically an
do.
unforgettable name.
Right. We'll get you set up. We'll get your tag and we'll set you up with another whitelist. Whitelists are stackable. These other 2 people I do not know. Well, I don't know their YouTube name at least. And so Marcus Lee, our Discord link is in the description of this video. So if you're not in our Discord, jump in, join, create a ticket, and we will give you a whitelist if you would like to the upcoming JPEG Boss Mint, which will give you access to the platform once we drop it, called Mamir's Well. It's an analytical platform. All the information's in Discord. Go ahead and drop that out. It will not let me draw again, but the other person was
Smurf.
scroll back and track. Yeah, Smurf. Where is his name? I want to make sure I give out the right name. Smurf Dabs. So Smurf Dabs on YouTube. Same thing. Description or link to Discord is in the description. Come on into Discord, open a ticket, and we will get you set up with a whitelist if you do so choose to want one. Other than that, I know John has to get on to Lucrativity. Make sure everybody, Lucrativity starts in 24 minutes. That is John and one of our community members named Burgess. It is their YouTube channel where they are booked out for like till next month doing live interviews. Make sure you go check them out, show some support, some love. Other than that,
I have one more thing I want to share, and this is the first time that you and Seji have seen this.
okay. Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, so somebody got a notification while we were live. Ooh, look at that. Fancy.
So we got
Fancy words on a white screen. I don't know. Maybe follow at Chinvat Bridge on
Twitter.
On what's that?
On Twitter? On X?
On Twitter also. You could be the first person to follow at Chinvat Bridge. Chinvat Bridge.
All right, I have to leave. Thank you guys. You all have an excellent show. We'll see you. Peace.
All right. Have a good night. And we are out. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same entertainment.